Here from Sudhanshu. In this video, I will showcase how you can use Gemini from Google effectively for marketing and productivity increasing purposes. First of all, you will have to purchase the Gemini. You can do that by going into one.google.com. I am typing this URL in the description for you to directly go and click on it. Then click on the plans option. After going to one.google.com, from the plans option, you would have to upgrade to the AI premium option, that is of 1950 rupees. Once you have this plan enabled, upgraded, this will allow Gemini in Gmail, Docs and more. Once you have enabled this, then go to the Gemini tab. From the settings section, go to the extensions and enable Google Workspace, Gemini in Gmail, Docs and Google Drive. Once you've enabled this extension, then go on to new chat and you can directly fetch your data from Gmail in this interface. Let me showcase how you can do it. Show me Airtel bill in Gmail. Unfortunately, okay, I'll show you through another interface, Gemini, that has the Airtel bill. Show me Airtel bill in Gmail. Now it will fetch email that has an Airtel bill from my inbox in gmail.com. This is how effectively you can use it for productivity increasing purposes. Even if it is in, you can click on a particular cell to reach the Airtel bill directly from your Gemini interface. So this way you can increase the productivity. You need not, you can directly search for a particular email from the Gemini interface. Or if it is a document, let's say proposal, Google Workspace for education, proposal from Google Drive. It will also fetch the Drive documents for you in the same interface. So as we have seen that this is how you can increase the productivity by using Gemini. Now I will showcase another use case for the marketing purposes. For the market purposes, go on to the 9 dots. Once you've enabled Gemini, then go to the URL, that is, or you can go to the drive, that is drive, and then from there select new, more, Google Vids. Once you reach vids.google.com, here you can type any prompt for which you want to create a video. Let's say 2 people having coffee. Click on the next button. This will auto generate an audio or a video for you. Click on the next button. Select the template. Create the draft. This will do three things. One, it will generate a video, then a transcript which you can convert into voice. Right. Coffee chats. Let's view the video. Let's hear it with some voice. So this is how you can generate basically a marketing video for your site or for your company. Right, that should be all. Have a good day. Bye bye. You can also download this video in MP3 format, MP4 format, and use it for your marketing purposes for posting on social media.